Welcome back to TechnoSurgeon YouTube channel. So we know Pixel 8 Pro what it going to be look like from only trenders and stuff, but now it's going to get this awesome feature which is going to be body temperature sensor. But we will talk about it later. But we know from the leaks like it is going to be a flat display, though I like curved display. But yeah, it is going to be flat, and yeah, we already know what it comes with new camera sensors and stuff. But it will also come with an infrared sensor which is just below the flash, and it will help you to detect the body temperature. So basically you need to get your 8 Pro, Google Pixel 8 Pro, close to your forehead, and within 5 seconds you need to move it to your temple. And then before doing it you need to tap to measure. So when you get it close to your forehead, you need to press tap to measure, and then you need to get it to your forehead, to your temple within 5 seconds, and the phone will vibrate as soon as it records the body temperature, and then you can check it later, and all the data will be stored locally using Android privacy settings and stuff. So yep, you can know it for sure. And it is only available for 8 Pro because Pixel 8 won't have that dedicated sensor at all. Also along with it, it will come with a new 50 megapixel GN2 camera sensor by Samsung. So there will be indeed an upgrade, and it will going to be 1 to 1.2 inch sensor. So basically 1.8 is going to be basically 1 inch sensor, and it is going because 7 Pro is 1 is to 1.37 inches, and this is going to be 1 is to 1.2 inches. So it is basically 1 inch sensor, and it is going to get nice for photography and stuff. And we know how Google camera sensors are. So yeah, Pixel 8 Pro is set to be launched later down the year. So yeah, what do you think about Pixel 8 Pro and stuff? And are you excited for this new feature by Google for getting body temperature and stuff using your smartphone? Sound of your thoughts in the comment section below. Like, share, and subscribe, and I will meet you in the next one. Peace out.